Morning, Ma. Lagang sorbetes.
Oh.
Anong cream yan, Ma? Iba na naman ang lasa eh.
Ka talaga, oh. Yan ang bago nourishing cream ng Camille. Oras na ba?
It's time to join the rat race, Mom. It's already 9:15.
Ha? Late na ako. I have a meeting. Anong 9:15? 6:35 pa lang. Naku, niloko mo na naman ako. Talagang bata ka, no? Oh, bakit dito ka na naman nagubad ng sapatos mo?
Ay, sandali lang, Ma. I'll just take a bath.
Stoy! Broken na!
Oh, ilang kilometro ba ang tinakbo mo kanina?
Mga 2.
Oh, Iha. Easy ka lang dyan sa jam. 500 calories yan. Baka naman masayang ang pagja-jogging mo every morning.
Anong ginagawa ni Papa? Papa, yung nga palang operahan nyo, ano bang parte ng katawan ng babawasan nyo ngayong umaga?
Wala akong babawasan. Dadagdag pa nga ako eh. Women. They are so vain. Like your mama. Pero hindi bale. They give me business.
Buti na lang pa may mga vain women pa rin sa mundo, no? Di ba, Ma?
Aba. I may be vain, pero tunay pa yatang lahat ito. Wala pang retoke.
Mama,
At Ricardo,
talaga.
wag mo nga ako makumpara sa mga pasyente mo, ha? Remember,
Di ko
I
na
was
naman
never
eh.
one of your patients.
Oh, kaya aga-aga napikong ka na naman. Well, I gotta go. Bye.
Bye-bye. Ay?
Tama na yan.
naman. Ma'am, excuse oh, yung aking, yung bread ko.
Tigilan mo na
Teka.
sabi
Ay, Mami.
yan eh.
Isa pa eh, yan na lang eh.
Gentlemen, I hope you'll be brief and to the point.
Don't worry, ma'am, we will. Anyway, we would like to present to you the 2 poster and print layouts that the agency is recommending for the entire Camille product lines.
These are the 2 artworks that you like among the 3 that were presented to us during the last meeting.
You don't have to remind me. I still remember that meeting.
And these are the very same artworks that we will be shooting next week under the theme, The Camille Woman.
That's right, as agreed. During our last meeting, we will make the product shots more prominent. To make the theme, or we call it the copy headline, stand out against a dark background. It also applies with the other layout.
Good. Very good. Now it's done with class and taste. Yung una kasi yung layout, walang class. You must always remember that our advertising should project the image of our product. After all, we're selling... Tell me, Eva, what are we selling? What business are we really in?
We are selling a whole range of beauty products under the name Camille. We have cleansing cream, bath oil, clarifying lotion.
Wrong. We are not selling products. We are selling beauty.
Oh, Cindy. Everything checked?
Mo, ah. Yeah.
Oh, dahan-dahan lang. Naiipit yung ilong ko. Aray.
Tandaan mo, ah. Pinagbigyan lang kita. Galingan mo, ah.
Sin.
Dapat ako nakasakay
Hindi
dyan.
kinakabahan sa'yo eh.
Sige. Yay! Sige, bata. Galingan mo, ah. Sige, sige.
Push me
Sige,
back,
ah.
ah.
Sige. Sige. sa'yo. Pag ako nag-training sa'yo, panalo ka eh.
Patulong naman dito.
Fix. Uy, galing nga.